we have more questions than answers at this point, Tyler. All of this starts earlier in the day when it was reported that the Saudi Public Investment Fund had taken a 3 to 5% stake in Tesla, had built this up over a period of time, which raises an interesting question. It did not appear that this was an investment that Tesla or Elon Musk had sought out, but that the Saudis had over time thought this is a good investment. So it's an interesting investment there. After that news comes out, there was this tweet from Elon Musk within the last 15 minutes where he says he is thinking about taking Tesla private, $420 being the price that he would do it at, with funding secured. What is interesting here is whether or not this is a legitimate tweet from his verified account or if the account was hacked. And we've reached out to both Tesla as well as to Elon Musk to see if we can get some confirmation on this. We have yet to hear back from him. Typically, guys, I can tell you this. Typically, if there is something that is completely out of left field, that is not correct, we hear from Tesla PR very quickly. So the fact that we haven't heard from them may indicate that Elon Musk did, in fact, send out this tweet saying that, he's considering taking the company private at $420 a share.
But again, couldn't agree with you more, Phil. Couldn't agree with you more. If this was bogus, we would have known that by now. They would have been on the phone to us and other news services, I'm quite sure. Correct.
And we have a long track record with them where things have come out in the past, and we've said, look, this is out there, and they've shot it down if it's out of left field. And the fact that we haven't heard from them yet, that leads me to believe that perhaps Elon Musk did send this out. Now, whether or not he actually has secured funding to take the company private, how serious he is about this, those are all questions that need to be answered.
You talked about the Saudi stake, which was acquired apparently over time, 3 to 5%, $2 billion or something of that amount.
Yep.
One can assume that Musk must have known that the Saudis were in the stock, and I wonder whether there is a nexus there between this tweet, alleged coming from his verified account, and the fact that the Saudi Sovereign Wealth Fund is acquiring the shares.
I wouldn't be surprised if there is, Tyler. There is a report in the FT that the Saudis have, in some capacity, expressed interest in taking a stake in Tesla in the relatively recent past, but that has not happened. And perhaps Elon Musk is of the opinion, look, it's my company. I run this company. Yes, it's publicly traded, but we're content with what investment that we're going to sell here. And for whatever reason, maybe he did not want to sell a stake of the company or sell more shares to the Saudis. And they've decided, well, fine, we'll just go on the open market and we'll acquire 3 to 5% at the price that's out there.
How high are the hurdles to get the financing? I'm not sure what his private stake is, what his stake in Tesla stock is. Maybe how much he's got in it.
I don't have it off the top of my head, but he's got a substantial stake in there. Now, he's got that substantial stake. In addition, he has the Elon Musk collateral. And as you guys know, you don't have Tesla if you don't have Elon Musk. And if he were to go to whatever sources he needs to go to in order to secure funding, that's the ace in the hole. He could pull this off if he needed to pull it off. And it would not be cheap, probably wouldn't be easy, but there's no way of doubting that Elon Musk could not pull his company private if he wanted to. He could do it.
All right, Phil, I'll let you get back to the phones and your reporting on this breaking news story about Tesla and the potential that Elon Musk may be interested in taking the company he had founded private. So we'll check back later.
I'd also note, Tyler, that we have heard in interviews from Elon Musk, he has said previously that he would love to take this company private. SpaceX, his space entity, which is private, is one that he's basically signaled if he could keep it private forever, he probably would.